It's raining a little bit. Baby, what is so funny?
You like that.
Folks, we just went to the Wilcon. Pick up some light bulbs, a couple things for the crib. But I got me some new dog bowls.
Put in your head, they have a rain.
Yeah, I'm not gonna get wet on the way home. But it's basically a strainer and two heavy duty dog bowls. I call them dog bowls. But Janice is embarrassed to walk through Barrio Barreto carrying these dog bowls. I said, I'm gonna walk all the way through this motherfucker with these dog bowls. I ain't ashamed. They're really good quality. I got two bowls and a strainer. I don't know if you can see in there. But hell yeah. Baby, you wanna carry my dog bowls? Why not? Here, baby. Here, get the dog bowl, honey. We're gonna get rained on. This chick got a dentist appointment too. We may have to hop a trike, get this gear back to the house, get her to her dentist appointment. She got to get that grill fixed up. Oh, speaking of grills.
This one is small.
Nah, baby, it's the same size. Huh?
No. Oh, I told you that's small.
Oh shit, one's smaller than the other. Damn, we got two different size dog bowls. Baby, you want to carry the dog bowl? All right, folks, had to go shields up, shields down because we're coming up on the po. Damn, we got two different sizes. I thought we had two of the same size. I'm proud of these dog bowls, baby. Hey, it's good for the noodles. You got the little, you know, the drain. You got the strainer, the drainer, whatever the hell you want to call it. Right there. That is some quality ass dog bowls. Over at the Wilcon. They over there drilling something. Okay, drilling a well. Drilling a well behind the 7-Eleven over there. Thing just a clanking and a clanking and a clanking. All right, got some concrete going. Hello, how are you? Got a concrete truck actually. You don't see many concrete trucks because most of the time they mix it by hand on the job site. But I guess they're pouring such a big wall they had to bring in the concrete truck right there. Gonna put a wall up, keep that thing from coming down. All right, making progress here in Barrio Barreto. There's the vulcanizing shop. Could call that cliffside or hillside vulcanizing shop if I had to name it. So a little bit of rain. I mean, it actually come a pretty good rain while we were inside there, but now it's straight. But if we get rained on, we're just gonna put one of these on our heads. Ready for your dentist appointment? So Janice got a toothache, so I said, she was complaining yesterday. I said, hey, no problem, you're going to the dentist tomorrow. Oh no, I don't want to go. I said, baby, listen, the thing about the dentist, you know, the longer you wait, the more pain, the more time, the more money. It just gets worse with dentistry. So I don't know how long she's been waiting, but we finna get this problem solved today. All right, I'm back. Thought I had a booger on my nose. Walking around that Wilcon, you know, you gotta wear a face shield. God damn, that face shield makes you sweat like a beast. So up in there, sweating like a beast. But they do have some really cool grills. I mean, like Charbroil brand, American something brand. They're, you know, grills like we are used to back in the States. So I'm looking at all these, and they had a stainless one with stainless steel grates. It was like 15,000 pesos. I'm like, hey man, you got this thing in stock? And that dude said, oh, no stock on that one. I said, okay, can we order it? Nope. I said, why not? He said, it's discontinued. I'm like, well, why do you have the damn thing out here on display? And he said, well, because you can buy the display. I said, well, that's good because it's already put together. It's got a couple scratches on it. People looking at it over the months, but it's already put together. So you just roll over there in the Kulong tricycle and pick that thing up. There you go, baby. Good job. Just carry that dog bowl. You look beautiful. I don't really understand why you're embarrassed to carry the dog bowl. I mean, what if we have a dog? Nobody knows we're going to use that for cooking. We don't have a damn dog. We're using that in our kitchen to cook with. No, we're not buying shumai 1 hour before your dentist appointment. Okay, listen. Do you think that your dentist wants to smell your breath, the smell of shumai, right before you go into the dentist chair to get your teeth worked on? No, he does not. He get you a nice drink of ice water, brush your teeth, and get ready to hear some drilling sounds, baby. Folks, every Filipina I've ever taken to the dentist take one look in there. Yep, got to pull 3 teeth. You got 15 cavities. He schedules like 6 appointments. Everyone. Dentistry is not a big thing here because it costs money. And when I say it costs money, from a Western standard, it's cheap as can be. But most people here, it's the last thing on their mind is spending money at the dentist, and therefore a lot of these folks walking around got a mouthful of cavities, just the way it is. You know, just telling shit like it is. So when this dentist takes a look into her grill, I'm thinking how many pesos this is gonna cost me. I don't care if he's got to rip out 4 or 5 of her teeth. I'm just worried about how much it's gonna cost.
What? I told you I don't want.
I'll bet you he's gonna pull 3 of your teeth, baby.
Yeah, I don't want.
He's gonna pull 3 teeth.
No way.
And you got about 15 cavities. That's what I believe. I hope I'm wrong for your sake. You want to take bets on it? Hey,
I'm buying you shumai, bro.
we're not buying shumai, baby. We're going to the dentist. No, you're about to get your grill worked on. Don't worry about that
Oh,
shumai.
carry that.
Dog bowls. They're a heavy gauge. They're heavy gauge though. That's why I bought them. Most of these things, like a Divvy Mart, you can just like bend them. This stuff right here is extra thick, like a double thick Chinese version, straight out of China. But I did not mean to get 2 different sizes, because now only one bowl will fit my strainer like a glove. The other one's gonna be a little bit off. No shumai, baby. All right. All right, cut down through here, baby. Let's see what's going on. Got the road closed. The road is closed because they're fixing to bring that concrete on down. Barcelona closed every Tuesday, 2 p.m. to 11:15 p.m. midnight, strict to avoid the curfew. All right, gentlemen, we got some parrotfish on the grill over there. That's where we picked up the shumai. The beef shumai is what she had. Huh?
Shumai, bro.
I'm not buying shumai. I'm assuming we can get through like we did last time. Only reason I think they put the rocks on here is to prevent people from driving on it, but I have no idea. Where's it? Here, baby, can you carry this dog bowl while we go by Sitting Bull restaurant?
What? No way.
I don't want everybody to see me carrying that dog bowl. Here you go at the Sitting Bull restaurant with the Hotel Belamonte off to the port side of the aircraft. What are you selling, baby? You want me to start yelling out balut? Look like you're selling balut, huh?
Yeah.
Little dog and a chicken. Make that 2 dogs. Man, you're just gonna piss right there. Just piss right in front of us, dude. Maybe we can ask this gentleman why they put all these rocks here. I don't know. Did they put the rocks when the concrete was like, 80% cured? I don't know. What? But why they put?
So close.
Huh?
So close.
Oh, just to make sure it stays closed where nobody drive on it? Ah, okay. All right, thank you, gentlemen. All right, that makes sense. Just a way to keep people from driving on it. A concrete cutter here.
That's why no one go there because it's still dry. You want to be dry.
Keep it dry, so you just keep putting rocks on it. Makes sense. Nobody can ride bicycles and drive cars or motorbikes. Oh, thank you, honey. All right, man. A brand new machine right here.
Uy, bring this in the house.
Hold on, baby. I'm trying to make a YouTube video. Come on.
Ba?
Let's go.
The backhoe. Bring this in the house.
Bring what in the house?
Here, this one.
There's this. Hello, how are you? There's a cameraman. Hello. There's a cameraman and a superstar. And now you're carrying the dog bowl and the grocery bag. Using my dog bowl as a set of drums.
That's why the people speak.
But you're not a drummer.
I know now who's the one broke this.
Who?
Forrest.
Gonna break what?
This one. Because this one, if you throw, it's noisy. Forrest, you like noisy.
Yeah, he likes noisy stuff.
You want to do like that.
Studio type for rent, house for rent, right here on YOLO Street. Anybody's looking for a place to rent? Folks, there's for rent signs all over this place.
Look like me, the window.
Anybody's looking for a place, don't worry about it. Just get here, start walking around. You can find you a place at local prices.
YOLO.
YOLO. Either way.
YOLO.
All right, are you getting nervous about going to the dentist? You got about 30 minutes. Huh?
Tomorrow na lang, oy.
Baby, we've already made an
You
appointment.
not hear what I said to ate?
What?
The dentist.
What'd you say?
Maybe tomorrow,
Hello.
ate. They said, no mom, it's 4 o'clock.
There's another apartment for rent. That looks like a townhouse. Wow, got a little gate out front. We're on Ilo Street. Ilo at Jolo.
Hello, Jolo.
Anybody looking for it? That was a nice place too. Had a place to park your motorbike down below. Area where you can put your barbecue grill. Go ahead, tell the story.
My grandmother said, told me, you know the duhat, right?
Duhat, yeah.
Yeah, they
Where-
have many duhat in the farm.
Yeah.
He said to me, get that bucket, then bring in the, what is that? In the canto, they call that, but they have many people in there. My grandma said, bring that. Then I get the bucket, but I put in the, the one that my grandma not see. Because I don't know. I don't want to carry that.
Okay, baby. Let me make sure I got the story straight. When you were a kid, your grandma told you to get a bucket and pick the duhat from the tree.
No, they have a duhat in the bucket already.
Oh,
They want me to give to... they want me to say that duhat, oi! I don't like.
Oh, okay. So they had duhat already, and they wanted you to take it and sell it,
Yeah.
and you didn't want to sell it. You were just too shy.
Yeah, I don't want.
So you were too shy. So what did you do with the duhat?
I get, then I put in the room. That's why my grandmother not see.
So you hid the duhat. Did she didn't want the money? Didn't she say, hey, where's the pesos that you sold the duhat?
No, she forgot.
So grandma was old and she forgot. You hid the duhat and you just ate it later on, right? You ate the duhat. I knew what you did. There you go. That's Janice's story about being a sales lady as a child. Too shy to sell the duhat, so she hid it and then ate it, and then grandma forgot about asking her about the money. Okay, shields up, shields down till we see who's around.
That's good.
What smells good, baby?
I feel hungry too.
You can't eat before the dentist.
Dentist na naman ako.
Baby, you gotta go to the dentist, okay? That's just,
Tomorrow ba?
honey, your appointment's in 30 minutes. We gotta go.
Okay, so if you buy
You see what I'm dealing with here, folks?
you buy me food ba? I'm hungry na.
Hey, when you finish with the dentist,
When I finish with the dentist, I cannot eat the hard oil.
you'll eat some soup. I'll make you some soup. okay?
Sumbong kita kay ate, wala yung siomay. I tell ate yun, not buy siomay.
I don't care what you tell Ate. Folks, public service message over here at the market area. They do have the MPs hanging out. Po. Good thing I went shields up, shields down, because the minute I cut that corner, there they were, the MPs. So if you're in Barretto, you're coming over here, you're gonna come anywhere around the market area, realize there's some MPs walking around. Make sure you got your chin warmer in the battle ready position.
Chin warmer.
Yeah, the chin warmer. She is still trying to get me to buy some shumai. It's not happening, baby. Bit of walking in the rain. It's gonna come a good rain after this little typhoon come through. We're getting the sewers cleaned out here. Oh, they already cleaned them out, put the lids back on. But they haven't got the dump truck down in here to get the dirt, so to speak, off the streets. That's why I wear these Merrills, walking around areas like this. Well, just staying in water. These Merrills have a waterproof liner. It's a Gore-Tex liner. Just keeps your feet bone dry. It keeps your feet from getting soaked in sewage water. I've had both versions. I prefer the Gore-Tex ones. Like Merrill has a proprietary dry liner. I don't know what it is, but I go with the Gore-Tex. Go with the Gore-Tex.